Welcome. Sixth Standard, Chapter 2 Diversity in the Living World, Part 3 2.3 Plants and Animals in Different Surroundings. This is Curiosity Part 1 textbook as per 2025-2026 Karnataka State Board syllabus. The main points covered in this part of this second chapter is plants and animals in different surroundings, habitats and adaptations. Plants and animals live in different surroundings, habitats such as deserts, mountains, forests, and oceans. They develop special features, adaptations to survive in their habitats. Example, fish have streamlined bodies and fins for swimming. Example, goats have legs to walk on land. Plants in different regions. Desert plants, mountain plants, rhododendrons. Desert plants, example cactus, fleshy stems store water, can survive heat and water scarcity. Mountain plants, deodar, conical shape and sloping branches help shed snow. Rhododendrons grow shorter with smaller leaves in windy Nilgiris but taller in Sikkim. Animals in different regions. Hot desert camels, long legs and wide hooves for sandy terrain, one hump for fat storage, can survive without much water. Cold desert camels, Ladakh, shorter legs for mountains, two humps for good storage, long hair for warmth. Other features, camels excrete little urine, dry dung, and do not sweat. Adaptations to conserve water. Aquatic versus terrestrial habitats. Terrestrial habitats, forests, deserts, mountains, grasslands. Aquatic habitats, ponds, lakes, rivers, oceans. Amphibians, example frogs, can live both on land and in water. These are the main points considered in this. Next is the biodiversity and its importance. Biodiversity differs from region to region due to environmental conditions. Damage to habitats cause loss of food, shelter, and species. Bengal tiger, cheetah, great Indian bustard. Conservation efforts. Project Tiger 1973 to protect Bengal tigers. Cheetah Reintroduction Project 2022 to restore cheetah population. Protected areas for bustards in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra. Sacred groves. Community protected forest patches rich in biodiversity and medicinal plants. Key ideas: protecting habitats is essential to conserve biodiversity and maintain balance in nature. Multiple choice questions. First one is, which feature helps camels of hot desert walk easily on the sand? Option A, short legs. Option B, long legs with wide hooves. Option C, two humps. Option D, long hair. Answer is option B, long legs with a wide hooves. Question number 2. The conical shape and sloping branches of deodar trees help them to option A, store water. Option B, slide off snow easily. Option C, survive without soil. Option D, attract animals. Answer is option B, slide off snow easily. Question number 3. Frogs are called amphibians because they are option A, can survive without water. B, live only in forest. C, can live both on land and in water. Option D, have slimy skin. Answer is option C, can live with both on land and in water. Fourth one, in deserts, camels conserve water by option A, drinking water every hour. Option B, excreting less urine and dry dung. Option C, having short tails. Option D, eating only grass. Answer is option B, excreting less urine and dry dung. Question number 5. Sacred groves are important because they, option A, are places for tourism. Option B, are community protected forests rich in biodiversity. Option C, contain only desert plants. Option D, are used for farming. Answer is, are community protected forest rich in biodiversity. Fill in the blank. First one, plants and animals that live on land are said to live in dash habitats, terrestrial habitats. Question number 2. Plants and animals that live in water are said to live in dash habitats, aquatic habitats. Question number 3. The special features that help plants and animals survive in their surroundings are called adaptations. Question number 4. Camels in cold desert of Ladakh have dash humps and long dash to survive in cold winters. Ladakh camels of the desert of Ladakh have two humps and they have a long hair to survive in the cold winters. Question number 5. Undistributed forest patches protected by the local communities are called sacred groves. True or false? First one. Camels of Rajasthan have two humps. False. It has only one hump. True. Deodar trees are conical in shape to help snow slide off. True. Question number 3. If a fish is taken out of water, it can still survive easily. False. Fourth one. Sacred groves are usually destroyed for farming. False. Fifth one. Amphibians can live both in water and on the land. True. 1 marks question. Question number 1. What is the habitat of a camel? Answer desert, hot or a cold desert. Question number 2. Why do deodar trees have sloping branches? Answer to allow snow to slide off easily. Question number 3. What helps a fish to swim in water? Answer. Streamlined body and fins. Question number 4. What are adaptations? Answer. Special features that help plants and animals survive in their surroundings. Question number 5. What are sacred groves? Answer. Undistributed forest patches protected by local communities. 2 marks questions. Question number 1. How do camels survive in deserts without much water? Answer. Camels excrete very little urine, their dung is dry, and they do not sweat. This helps them conserve water and survive for many days without drinking water. Question number 2. State two differences between camels of hot deserts and camels of cold deserts. Answer. Hot desert camels have one hump while the cold desert camels have two humps. Hot desert camels have long legs, while the cold desert camels have short legs and long hair to survive cold weather. Question number 3. Why do cactus plants have thick and fleshy stems? Answer. Cactus plants have thick, fleshy stems to store water and survive the hot and dry conditions of the desert. Question number 4. Give two examples of terrestrial habitats and two examples of aquatic habitats. Answer. Terrestrial forest, desert, aquatic, river, ocean. Question number 5. Why is it important to conserve biodiversity? Answer. Conserving biodiversity ensures survival of plants and animals, maintains ecological balance, and provides resources like food, water, and medicine. Long answer questions of 5 marks each. Question number 1. Explain how plants in deserts and mountains are adapted to survive in their surroundings. Answer. Desert plants, example cactus, have thick, fleshy stems to store water, do not have leaves or reduce it to spines to reduce water loss, can tolerate extreme heat during the day and cold at night. Mountain plants, example deodar, have a conical shape, sloping and flexible branches allow snow to slide off easily. Small leaves in a windy areas like rhododendron in Nilgiris prevent damage. Question number 2. Compare the features of the camels living in the hot deserts and the cold deserts. Answer. Hot desert camels in Rajasthan. Long legs with wide hooves to walk on sand. One hump that stores food in the form of fat. Can survive without water for days by conserving water. Cold desert camel, Ladakh. Shorter legs to walk on mountains, terrain. Two humps that store food. Long hair from head to neck to survive cold winters. Question number 3. What are adaptations? Explain with two examples from plants and two from animals. Answer. Adaptations are special features that help plants and animals survive in their specific habits. Plant examples. Cactus stores water in stems to survive in deserts. Deodar trees have conical shape to survive snowfall in mountains. Animal examples. Fish have streamlined bodies and fins to swim in water. Camels conserve water and store fat in humps to survive in deserts. Question number 4. Explain the importance of habitats. What happens if a habitat is destroyed? Answer. Importance of habitat. Provides food, water, air, and shelter to plants and animals, supports biodiversity, and helps maintain ecological balance. If destroyed, plants and animals lose their homes and food sources, leads to a decline in species population. Tigers, cheetahs, bustards causes biodiversity loss and imbalance in nature. Question number 5. Write a short note on conservation of biodiversity in India. Answer. Project Tiger 1973 started to protect the Bengal tiger population. Cheetah Reintroduction Project 2022 began to restore the cheetah population in India. Protected areas for Great Indian Bustard declared in Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Maharashtra. Sacred groves, community protected forest patches rich in biodiversity and medicinal plants. Overall, these efforts help prevent extinction, protect habitats, and maintain biodiversity for the future. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.